In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Copilot for holiday shopping. Microsoft Edge's Copilot feature acts as a personal assistant right within your browser, helping you with various tasks, including holiday shopping. And here's how you can leverage Copilot to find the best gift ideas and deals efficiently. 1. Discovering gift ideas. Initiate a conversation with Copilot in Microsoft Edge by typing or speaking your query. For example, you can ask Copilot for best gift ideas for grandparents. Copilot can swiftly gather and present articles covering the latest gift trends and Christmas gift ideas for various sources. It provides concise summaries and recommendations based on your query. 2. Finding the best deals. Once you've decided on the items to purchase, ask Copilot to help you find the best deals. Copilot's key feature is product comparison, allowing you to evaluate different options side by side. So you can give it two products and make it compare which is cheaper, which is better quality, and which is faster shipping, for example. Copilot operates conveniently within the Edge sidebar, making it easy to access while browsing. And with Copilot's assistant, you can swiftly navigate through various product listings and compare prices and features. 3. Maximizing value for money. Copilot understands that the price isn't the only factor to consider when shopping. It helps you assess the overall value proposition of products by comparing features, quality, and customer reviews. Copilot can create labels to organize and streamline comparisons, especially when evaluating multiple products simultaneously. This feature enhances efficiency and allows you to make informed decisions quickly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.